Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be looking at Imagine AI, the pros and cons of using it. Imagine AI, the robot Picasso that might paint your cat as a dinosaur. Let's be honest, AI art tools are like giving a toddler a paintbrush and hoping for a masterpiece. Enter Imagine AI, the app promises to turn your weirdest ideas into digital art. But does it actually work, or is it just a fancy way to generate nightmare fuel? Why do I keep calling fuel? Okay, moving on. Grab a popcorn and maybe a therapist and let's dive in. We're looking at Imagine AI, going to examine the good, the bad, and the why does my dog have 6 eyes? Okay, the categories we're looking at are AI generation, style variety, speed, ease of use, and pricing. We're going to look at the pros, which is the wow, I'm an artist now stuff. And the cons, which is this AI might be possessed stuff. So let's look at the first category, which is AI generation. Yes, it turns I can't draw into look, I made a spaceship for you, which is a pro. But the con is that sometimes abstract means your face looks like a potato. Moving on to style variety. The pro is that it can mimic Van Gogh, anime, or corporate clip as hell. The con? Cyberpunk style equals your cat now has neon robot arms. When it comes to speed, it generates art faster than you can say copyright infringement. Whoa. Fast. The con? Fast does not mean good. Your masterpiece might look like a toddler's fake art. When it comes to ease of use, yes, it can type a prompt. All you have to do is type a prompt, click a button, and boom, you get art, or sometimes something resembling it. When it comes to the con, simple. It is quite simple until the AI misinterprets sunset as flaming taco sky. And then when it comes to the last category, which is pricing. Yes, free tier lets you test drive before you sell a kidney. While the con is that the premium plans cost more than your unused gym membership. So final verdict, should you let AI replace your inner artist? Well, for meme lords and lazy designers, your answer should be yes. You can generate all the weird art you want. But for actual artists, this is how Skynet started. What am I saying? Imagine AI is like a caffeinated art student, widely creative, occasionally brilliant, but probably should have been left unsupervised. You should not leave him unsupervised. So you can use it for memes, but not your wedding portrait. P.S. If your AI generated art goes viral, we demand 10%. If it flops, blame the robots. Are you still unsure? Try typing dinosaur cat wearing a business suit and see what happens. You're welcome. Hope you found this video helpful.